Oh, good afternoon for this Pullerbear Pro XL 321 tutorial. And you see this is a Scotch broom plant, and it's multiple stems coming off one small stem down here. Now when you're pulling these small ones with this monster, this will pull up to a 3-inch tree, but it'll also pull these tiny ones. But there's a secret to these tiny ones is we weld the word step right on the tool, right there. And why we do that is we want you to step on the jaw when you place it around these small saplings. The reason you do that is because you want it to start pulling the plant straight out of the ground instead of bending it over, which possibly would cause it to break. So when you're coming up to these small stems, and actually we recommend that you actually step on it for every size, so you can grab every stem right next to the ground. And this is the only tree puller that actually has this feature that actually goes right to the ground. So step on it where it says step, close the jaw around that little stem, and you'll see it'll pull it up and not break it off. That's not a bad size clump of roots for that tiny little plant. So you can see the advantage of stepping on it. You step on it, press this right against the ground so there's no space between where it comes out of the ground and where it's grabbing onto the stem, and you'll get a pull. It'll be a pulling motion up before it starts bending it over. If you pull it up too high on the stem, like if you pull it up too high on the stem up in this area, it starts to bend the plant over, and then of course there's gonna be a lot of stress there and it could possibly break off. So again, we weld it right on the handle, or right on the jaw, sorry. Step there, set it into the flesh of the plant, and pull away. Happy pulling. Thanks for coming by.